My students, I am K. Anil Kumar, lecturer in mathematics, Space Junior College. Today we will discuss about most important topic, circles. Okay, first of all, how to define circle in real life mathematics and mathematical sciences. First of all, we are defining the real life mathematics. So how to define in real life mathematics in circle? Okay, first of all, circle is a shape of like bangle, pizza, park and playground. These are all circular shape. So this is the real life examples of circle. And now we defining the mathematical sciences in circle. Okay, defining the circle. See the once again diagram. A circle is a set of all points in a plane that are constant distance from fixed point. See the diagram once again. A circle is the set of all points in a plane that are constant distance from fixed point. Then the fixed point is called center. See the diagram once again. That the fixed point is called center. And the constant distance is called the radius. That means the center to the any edge of the circle, for suppose P is the any point on the circle, that point to the center to that point, that the distance is called radius. So center the indicates C, that the center indicates minus G comma minus F, that is called the center, and the radius is smaller. Once again the repeat the definition of the circle in mathematical sciences. A circle is the set of all points in a plane that are constant distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called center and the constant distance is called the radius. Examples of circles already told that is bangle, park and playground and pizza. These are all live examples in a circle. Next, we defining the equation of the circle. So we will learn how to find out the equation of this circle whose center and radius are given by. So what is the given here? See the diagram once again. If I take the xy plane and draw the one of the circle, that the center C of h comma k and p be the any point on the x comma y, and the distance of center to let p of x comma y, that the distance of what is the distance here? Radius. So by using the distance formula to find out the equation of the circle. So by using the what is the 2 points formula here? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is the distance 2 points on the formula. So what is the point on x1 here, y1? H comma k. What is the point on x2 comma y2? X comma y. And what is the given d? R. So by using the formula distance between the what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equals to r square. Squaring on both sides, square root cancel both. What is the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equals to r square. Substitute the points on x1 y1 and x2 y2. So therefore x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So that is the equation of the formula. Once again I repeat the equation of the formula by using the points center h comma k and let p be the any point on the circle p of x comma y and the radius r. Next, we defining the equation of a circle in general form. So first of all, what is the general standard form of the equation? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So what is the by using here the formula a minus b whole square? What is the a minus b whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square, that is the formula of a minus b whole square. So above the equation expanding, what is the expanding of the equation? X square plus h square minus 2hx plus y square plus k square minus 2ky is equals to r square. Therefore the rearranging the equation to get what is the equation, find out now? X square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square is equals to 0. Here the substitute of the center. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f. So minus g comma minus f, substitute the here the values of h comma k. So what is the h here? Minus g and k is equals to minus f. and c is equals to h square plus k square minus r square. Substitute in the replace of h comma k comma h square plus k square minus r square. So h in replace is what is the value? Minus z, minus into minus plus x square plus y square plus 2zx minus 2 k. What is the k replacing value? Minus f, minus into minus plus 2f into y plus what is the replacing of h square plus k square minus r square is equals to c. Therefore what is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. That is the general equation of the circle, that is also called as second order degree. What is the second order degree equation? Second order means 2. The order is 2, that is called as second order general equation. For example, find the equation of the circle with the center 1,7 and radius 6. By using center and radius to find out the equation of the circle. What is the given center? C of h comma k, that is equals to 1 minus 7. And what is the given radius? R is equal to 6 units. What is the equation of the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So substitute the values of h comma k. What is the h here? 1. K is equals to 7. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square is equals to 6 square. By using the formula a minus b whole square, what is the a minus b whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So expanding that the above equation and rearranging them. So expanding above equation, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 49 minus 14y is equals to 36. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 14y plus 1 plus 49 50. That side goes to the positive 36, this side goes to minus, that is 15 minus 36 14. So that is the required equation of the circle. What is the required equation of the circle? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 14y plus 14 is equals to 0. That is the required equation of the circle. Next, one more example. Find the center and radius of the circle is by using the circle. What is the circle? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 is equals to 0. By using this circle to find out the center and radius. Okay, the solution of the problem. So what is the given equation? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 is equals to 0. So we comparing the general equation or second order degree equation. What is the second order degree equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Comparing that the all terms coefficient of x square and the given problem also x square is same, y square also same. To comparing the 2z is equals to minus 4, 2f is equals to minus 8, c is equals to minus 41. To substitute the values, to getting the values of 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 fours are. What is the value of z? Minus 2. What is the value of f? Minus 4. C is equals to minus 41. What is the center indicates? Minus z comma minus f. So substitute the values of minus z comma minus f. What is z equals to? Minus z minus to minus plus 2 comma 4. That is the given center. To find out the center. Next we find out the radius. What is the radius formula? Square root of g square plus f square minus c. To find out the radius, we put the formula is, that is the formula, main formula of this radius. R is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. What is the value of z here? 2. 2 square means 4 plus what is the value of f? 4. 4 square means 16. Minus into minus plus 41. 4 plus 16 20. 20 plus 41 61. That is the radius is root 61. Next, we defining the some parts of circle. So many parts is there circles. First of all, we defining the center. See the diagram once again. The midpoint of a circle is called center. The midpoint, see the diagram once again. The midpoint of this circle, we draw the circle that is the exactly middle of the circle, that is called as center. The center indicates C. That is the center indicates. See the diagram. The midpoint of a circle is called center. Next, we defining the radius. Okay, what is the radius in general? We defining the radius is r. We define the indicates the r. So So first of all, see the definition, see the diagram once again. So we draw the circle by using the midpoint formula. So that is the center of C. We draw the one of the circle by using the center. So let P be the any point on the circle. For suppose P of x comma y, any point on the circle. We joining the 2 points C to P. We line joining the C to P. The distance is R. So clearly we defining the definition of the radius. The line drawn from the center to the circumference. Center to, what is the center? C. The circumference is P. The line joining the CP, that is called as radius. Once again repeat the radius definition. The line drawn from the center to the circumference is called radius. Next we defining the circumference. So what is the meaning of circumference? The circumference is the distance around the circle. See the diagram. Total outside of the circle, that is called as circumference. Once again repeated, the circumference is the distance around the circle. Total around the circle, the distance is called circumference. Next we defining the chord. Chord, a line that connects one point on the edge of the circle with another point on the circle is called chord. For suppose let any 2 points, for suppose circle A and B, that is 2 points. That 2 points A and B connecting the line, that is called as chord. A line, once again repeat the definition. A line connects one point on the edge of the circle with another point on the circle, that is called chord. See the diagram, so many chords in circle. So chords divide in two parts. That is the major part is called major circle and minor part is called minor circle. If the one of the node point is there, a chord that passes through the center. You see the diagram, that is the one of the center point, that center to the passes through the line. That chord passes through the center of the circle, that is called as diameter. The longest line is called diameter, that is also called as diameter. And next, tangent. If I take one of the circle, that is the C is the center, let P be the any point on the circle P of x comma y, that the line joining CP, that is the distance is R. A line perpendicular to the radius that touches only one point on the circle. See the diagram, that the line touches only the point on P. The perpendicular to the radius, center to center. The line perpendicular to the radius. See the diagram. The perpendicularly touches the radius, let the point on P. Only one point, that the point is called as P. Once again repeat, a line perpendicular to the radius that touches only one point, that is point on P on the circle. That is called as tangent. See the diagram, that is by using the center and the radius, and let P be the any point and one of the secant line. Next, we defining the sector. What is the sector? A pi-slice part of a circle. See the diagram. For suppose C is the center of the circle and A and B the 2 points. That the joining of the points A and B, that is arc. A pi-slice of part of a circle. The area between two radii and connecting arc of a circle, that is called as sector. Once again repeat the definition of the sector. A pi-slice part of a circle, the area between two radii and connecting arc of a circle, that is called as sector. See the diagram once again, by using the center C and let 2 points on the circle A and B, joining the 2 points A and B, that is called as a arc. So the area of the ACB, that is called as sector. Next we defining the diameter. So how to define the diameter? If I take one of the circle by using the center midpoint of the center, so we defining the line drawn from one point on circumference through the center to another point circumference is called diameter. And one more definition is there. If a chord passes through the center, that is called as diameter. If a circle, the longest line is called, the longest chord is called also diameter. See the diagram. Diameter cuts the circle in half of the length, equal length. So that is the one of the equal length is called semicircle. See the diagram. Next we defining the arc. A segment is a part of the circumference of the circle is called an arc. See the diagram. We defining the one of the, if I take one circle, C is the center of the circle. If any 2 points A and B, that the A and B 2 points on the circle connecting the each other A and B points, that the points on A and B, that is called as arc. Once again repeat the definition. A segment is a part of the circumference of the circle is called an arc. So what is the main of the part of the circle? First of all, chord, diameter, center, radius and arc and sector. These are all parts of the circle. So coming to the chapter, what is the concept of the circle is by using the 3 points, for suppose any 3 point x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x3, y3. These 3 points by using to find out the equation of the circle. And concyclic points. What are the concyclic points? Means 4 points. Concyclic means 4 points, same x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 and x4, y4. So these 4 points to find out the equation of the circle, and all as well also direct common tangents and all possible common tangents, and relative position of the circle. What is the meaning of relative position of the circles? By using those circles who are the same positions are external similitude and internal similitude on the simulated. These 3 points on the positions of the circle and the parametric points. These are all concept of the circle. This concept discuss about the tomorrow class. Thank you.